Welcome back to UK Infos. Today's topic is History of Computers. Early history of computers. The history of computers shows us that there were many people who have been involved in this process. To understand how the computer became this marvelous multitasking machine, we shall have to go way back into history when man was creating devices to count. So let us have a quick look at the early counting machines developed by man. Do you know the numbers 0 to 9 are called digits? But the word digit actually refers to a finger or toe. The first tools used by man to count were his own fingers. Early counting devices. Ancient people used their fingers, stones and sticks for counting. They made scratches on a wall to keep count of their animals. They tied knots in a rope to record information. Abacus. So this is called abacus. So this period 3000 BC. An abacus is made up of a bamboo or wooden frame with beads sliding on wires. Nowadays we can get plastic abacus also. It divided into two parts by a horizontal bar. These parts have vertical wires with sliding beads on them. These beads are usually for counting and calculating. The abacus is still used in Japan and Russia for its speed. Napier's bones. This is called Napier's bones. Napier's bones 1617. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented a calculating machine made of a set of rods carved from elephant's ivory. Each rod had 4 faces with numbers painted on them. These rods were used to do multiplication and division. Pascaline. This is called Pascaline. The year of Pascaline 1642. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a calculating machine in 1942 called Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first calculating device that used gears, a set of tooth wheels connected to each other. Pascaline could only add and subtract numbers. This is called Leibniz calculator. The year of Leibniz calculator 1671. Gottfried von Leibniz, a German mathematician, built a mechanical calculator which could do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It can do all the arithmetic functions. So next, punch cards. So this is called punch cards. The year of punch cards 1801. Joseph Marie Jacquard, a French weaver, invented a way of automatically controlling the threads on a silk loom. Jacquard's loom was the origin of punched cards used as an input device. It could automatically read the designs from punch cards and weave accordingly. Difference engine 1822. In 1822, Charles Babbage developed a working model of a mechanical computer called the difference engine. It stored programs to perform calculations and print the results automatically. Analytical engine 1837. Charles Babbage proposed a design for the first mechanical computer known as the analytical engine. It could do complicated calculations and store the results at each stage. It is basis of a modern computer. Do you know Lady Ada Lovelace is known as the first programmer in computer history. She was the first to introduce the concept of programming in 1842. Tabulating machine. Tabulating machine 1880. This is called tabulating machine. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented the tabulating machine that followed the IPO cycle, that is called input process output. In this machine, input was in the form of punch cards. Mark I. This is called Mark I computer. Mark I invented in 1944. Howard Aiken, an engineer with IBM. IBM stands for? I already told you. If you know, just comment below. Developed the first electromechanical computer known as Mark I. It was a general purpose computer which ran on electricity. It was as big as a hall, 8 feet high and 50 feet long. Last one is ENIAC. This is called ENIAC. The year of ENIAC 1946. The first all electronic computer ENIAC, electronic numerical integrated and computer, was invented by John P. Eckert and John W. Matchley. It cost millions of dollars, occupied a whole room, and could do 100 calculations in a second. Do you know the difference between electrical versus electronic machines? A computer is an electronic machine, whereas heaters, fans, and refrigerators are electrical machines. Electronic machines can do the calculations, but electrical machines cannot do. Thank you for watching.